So, outside of the New York Times in New York City, sometimes I'll stand here with an animal cruelty sign as well. As you see, my hat says Vegan Future. I want them to do more investigative journalism. The media in general does not cover certain issues like animal cruelty. And that is because their commercials, like a TV station, their commercials and ads are fast food and selling animal products. So there's bias involved. Also, most people consume these products, so don't want to talk about it. But we need more investigative journalism talking about the issues. Factory farms are destroying our environment, leading cause of greenhouse gases, more than all the modes of transportation, cars, trains, and planes combined. It's destroying our healthcare system, and actually a massive source of food waste. Most of our crops feed force-bred animals at only 1 pound of meat per every 16 pounds of crops we feed them. So while people go hungry, animals are well fed, actually, in these sick factory farms. You can look up videos, but most of it is pooped out. So meat equals world hunger or food waste, destroying our environment, destroying our healthcare system, and torturing billions of animals. The media does not cover these things. It's not that they're biased politically, it's that they don't want to cover these things because they're pro-business. And no one talks about our taxes going to subsidize the unhealthy and unsustainable animal agriculture industry. So I stand out here with my sign to try to influence them. I just got a Good Morning America TV show with this shirt and hat. And volunteer every week in Times Square with my sign for international tourists because the media does not cover the truth. Left, right, and center does not cover this. And investigate certain issues, humanitarian issues, and such. Instead of talking about the latest smut news and what this tweet was about by Trump or celebrity news, cover the real issues, please. Thank you.